Hello and welcome to this short demo of the IconPro Apollo software. IconPro Apollo is a web-based software for predictive maintenance of production units. It can be used in any cloud or also be hosted on-premise to keep your data safe. With IconPro Apollo, you can decrease efforts for the administration of your machines, decrease downtimes, and maintenance costs, while assuring the machine capability at the same time. In this video, we will show you the capabilities of this software for the use case of the coordinate measuring machines. So, lean back and enjoy. All user operations take place via dashboards that can be accessed from anywhere in the world or from within your company network. Here, the cards show the names, models and locations of all included machines, the overall health status, the operational status like running or idle, and the environmental conditions that are represented by colored sensor icons. Temperature, humidity, pressure, vibration, and collision sensors are considered. Additionally, the urgency for the next predicted maintenance date is visualized by a small clock icon next to the sensors. On the right-hand side, all events that are related to the connected machines are shown, including the program start and end times, the occurred sensor warnings, and much more. Of course, you can also track the overall equipment effectiveness of individual, as well as of groups of machines with the IconPro Apollo software. The OEE metrics are automatically evaluated. For a better interpretability, the utilization timelines of all or selected machines can be visualized. Here, IconPro Apollo considers individual shifts and production schedules that can be configured by the user, as we will see in a short while. With the help of the software, you can nail the utilization down to the programs and routines that were executed on the machine, including the names, the start and end times, and the duration statistics. Since machines are often clustered to groups, in this case measurement rooms or plants, the machine overview can be displayed group-wise. Thus, you have all important information at one glance. IconPro Apollo does not only ease the life of quality managers and measurement operators, but also the one of service technicians. Via the service overview, they can access important general as well as historical and predicted service information about the machines. Let's get back to the shifts and schedules. Here, the software offers the possibility to individually create and adapt the usual production times of your shop floor. These are then considered for the OEE calculation of the machines. By clicking on one of the cards in the overview, the user gets to the detail view dashboard of an individual machine. Here, machine-specific information is shown, including parameters regarding the wear of the machine, critical workpieces and characteristics, and the previously started program or routine. Apart from that, the next predicted maintenance or calibration date is displayed next to the small clock icon that turns yellow or red when the urgency increases. IconPro Apollo enables the user to comfortably trigger a service request for a certain machine directly out of the software. Therefore, the software can be connected to the support and service department of the machine vendor or the customer company itself. Large parts of the information that we already saw in the overview dashboard are visualized here again for the individual machine. This holds for the events, the OEE including the utilization timeline, and the routine history. Though additional and more detailed information is provided especially about the collected sensor data and the measurements that were performed by the coordinate measurement machine. The sensor data of all attached and internal sensors of the machine can be accessed, like for example temperature values of a certain temperature sensor or values of a vibration or collision sensor. Here, we see the measurement values for a certain characteristic of a certain workpiece that was measured on the machine repeatedly, for example in series production, or to evaluate the geometric stability of the machine. The green line shows the historical measurements, the blue dots represent determined outliers, the yellow line shows the calculated prediction based on all available information, and the dark yellow lines show the confidence of the prediction. These analyses are done automatically for all workpieces and characteristics that were measured by the machine. The predicted future behavior and the configured thresholds that are to be derived from the specification of the machine are also used to predict the next calibration or maintenance date of the machine. last but not least, we give a short overview regarding our user management system. Administrators can log in with a two-factor authentication. In the user management itself, almost everything can be configured. Users can be grouped, for example, for different departments, plants, or hierarchy levels. It can then be specified which configuration rights within the dashboard shall be given to these groups or even to individual users. Thus, IconPro Apollo shall fulfill the requirements of almost any producing company for the application of predictive maintenance for their production units. We hope you enjoyed this video, and of course, we would be happy to hear from you in case we got your interest for your predictive maintenance use case. Thanks for watching and have a nice rest of the day.